Hi, and welcome to the 10th assignment of Master Light, the lighting assignment group on Facebook. Hi, I'd like to welcome you here if you're new. Just a reminder of what this group is, or this video is about. This video is about a Facebook group that is assignment based. So every month I'll be giving you an assignment that is lighting based or composition based, so you can actually practice more photography without the stress of creating your own project. So every month you'll be taking a portrait or multiple, or however many you want. You'll be taking photos for this specific assignment. You can post them on the Facebook group, or you can share your ideas or share your struggles and compare yourself to other photographers should you want to, or if you're not, you can ask for CC or advice or anything that can help you further your photography. This is entirely free. There's no charge for it. You simply have to join the Facebook group that is in the link below. I just also want to highlight the awesome work that I've seen recently in the group. We've seen a large increase of number of postings, number of photos. So I think people appreciated assignment number 9, and I think people had a lot of fun with it. So that's really awesome. If you want to keep posting assignment number 9, you have Sunday Fun Day. We can post any recent work, or if you want to catch up on the 9 previous assignments, you can do so on Sundays freely. So for this month, we're going to do something slightly different than usual. Instead of doing a light setup, or instead of doing a particular way of lighting or composition, what we're going to be doing is a contest. So for this month, the assignment is linked to the contest. The person that we select that has the best shot for this month will actually win something physical this time. So this is my way of giving back to you. This month, we'll be shooting gel portraits. What are gel portraits? These are portraits that are made using a gel. What is a gel? I'll show you in a second. A gel is simply a piece of plastic, or depends on the company, that is actually made to go on top of your light or your modifier. In this case, I'll be showing you the ones I'm using currently. They're made by Flash Gels, which are the ones that I use on my AD600. So you can see them here. There's a little rainbow of colors. So these go directly into your bulb light, and you can actually modify the colors that's coming out of the light. Why are these gels useful? They're useful in many ways. They can actually create some interesting perspective on your model. So let's say you want to highlight a certain accent that matches with your makeup or a piece of clothing. This is really cool. If you want to actually control the light temperatures coming off, so let's say we're in Canada and a light here is actually pretty blue for some reasons, because we're in the northern hemisphere, you can actually control the way your daylight balance light to match the actual color temperature that is outside. So there's a lot of ways to be creative with light effects. I would recommend looking at the work of Jake Hicks, which specializes into actual gel work, and it's pretty awesome. He's really good at it. For this month also, what we're going to be doing that's different is the assignment is based with the contest, as I said before. So the person that we feel has submitted the best way of lighting with gels will actually win a prize. So this is in partnership with my friend Brian. Brian has a company called Flash Gels. He sells flash gels that are made specifically for the Godox AD600 system. So they're pretty awesome. You can put them directly onto your light, and then you can create wonderful work with it. For this month, I'll be doing something slightly different. Because there's a physical prize to be won, we'll be a bit stricter in our postings. You can post whatever gel work that you did, but the winner of the contest that will win will need to submit his raw file so we can see the EXIF data or the date that was taken. Why? Because we want to see new work. We don't want to see all the work that you shot last year. I'm pretty sure it's still awesome, but we want to see something fresh and new, and that is dedicated to this portrait because there's a low prize to be won. So this is a friendly contest. Again, it's a small value, but it's still something that I wanted to give back to this community. You guys have been awesome so far, so I just want to actually reward the effort. For the rules of this month, we want to see any work that is shot within the month of March, so from the day that this video goes live until the end of the month. After the end of the month, Brian, the owner of Flash Gels, will sit down with me, well, virtually, and then we'll be selecting the photo that he and I like the most. And from there, we'll be contacting the winner with his EXIF or raw data. If you need a set of flash gels, I posted a link below that can actually give you a direct link to the flash gel of my friend's company. That's going to give you, and if you own the AD600, it is perfect. It is actually made for that. Flash gels are pretty awesome. They come with a silicone based little rubber band and something you can actually put on top of your light. I'll show you in a sec. The tube actually itself is not very hot, but no, let's say you open your LED or anything, these are not like usual flash gels sometimes are known to actually melt on top of your light, which you don't want. So this will give you additional control and with the security of not damaging your light, since everything is silicone based and tested also. A big tip that I can give you in order to not oversaturate your subject is to either feather it, so make sure the light is indirectly hitting your subject, or and using your modeling light. Your modeling light can be open, especially if you use a system like the flash gels. They use to like control your light and see how this fill is working and how the actual light is working. So that gives you an additional control over your light, which means you'll take better photos. That's pretty much it. Again, the assignment is gel work. If you need more example of gel work, just make sure you Google it, find inspiration, start planning your project. The way to get into that group and also to actually shoot some assignments is to plan. Just plan maybe an hour and a half of your day, find a model, like a Facebook group, ask a friend, ask anything. Just make sure that your subject is interesting, so actually we'll be interested in looking at your photo, and make sure you submit your portrait. If you have any questions, again, I will link below the Facebook groups that you can actually join, so you can ask questions, you can message me at any time, or comment below in the YouTube comment. Hope you guys enjoy this contest. It's dear to my heart, and I just want to give a little bit of thanks back for this awesome chemistry that we have and awesome group that we have also. There's a lot of frequent members that post a lot, and it's really interesting, so don't be hesitant to join in. Just make sure you also like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more contests or more videos like this, and good luck.